Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Mathematics. And for this video, we're gonna focus on how to add integers. So, integers is the set of real numbers consisting positive whole number, negative whole number, and also the zero. So, in addition of integers, we have rules we're gonna use. So, first rule is same sign and keep. So, for example, if we have positive 3, a positive 5 rather, and positive 3 is equals to positive 8. So, negative 3 plus negative 5 is negative 8. Then the third one is positive 6 plus positive 4 is positive 10. So, fourth one is negative 6 plus negative 7 is negative 13. So, we're gonna add two integers directly and copy the sign of both integers. In other case, we have different sign of integers that we're gonna add. So in different sign, we have the rules. Different sign, subtract, and keep the sign of the larger number and it will be exact. So for example, we have negative 5 plus 3. So in this case, we're gonna subtract the larger number into the smallest number according to the rule. So 5 minus 3 is 2. But we're gonna copy the sign of the larger number and that is negative 5. So our answer in this case is negative 2. In second one is we have negative 3 plus 5. So according to the rule, we're gonna subtract the larger number to the smallest number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. But in this case, the sign of our larger number is positive, and that is positive 5. So that will be positive 2. And third one is we have 6 plus negative 4. So according to the rule, we have to subtract the larger number into the smallest number. So 6 minus 4, and that is uh, positive 2. So the last one is we have 6 plus 7, negative 7 rather. So we have, according to the rule, we need to subtract the larger number into the smallest number. And that is negative positive 7 minus 6. And our answer is also negative because the larger number is negative. So our answer in this case is negative 1. And the last one we have negative 6 plus 6. So same rules. So we're gonna subtract the both integers because they have different sign. So we have positive 6 minus 6 is will be a 0. And that's all for this video guys. I hope you learned something from me and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.